Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. We are now ready to uh, work on this mm, sale order entry form in which we have seen the editing. The editing is complete in with respect to this shipment tab. That brings all the information and it fills in all the data, right? And as long as the editing is concerned and the shipment tab, it's fine, it's perfectly okay. If you keep on changing, for example, 30, make it 36, and it accordingly adjusts and displays the right information. And it is picking the information from the sale existing data which is available in the sale order sheet, sale order header sheet, and sale order. Yeah, in the sale order header sheet, you have all this information, and there are certain information which are in the customer sheet. For example, the email address is not in the sale order header sheet. It is related to the customer. So customer has the email address, and the customer sheet is used to look up this information from the customer sheet. Okay, so it looks up this company, see, and brings these information, right? Whereas all the rest of the information, uh, also the phone number, these are also available in the customer sheet. So these are looked up. Okay, look up what to look up. It is the customer, and where to look up, that is the customer sheet. And there in a column there are two columns. One contains the phone part, and the other contains the facts part. So both are concatenated together to populate in a single field in the form. So this is a good learning. This we can do the concatenation and we can do the VLOOKUP, and so plenty of learning was there. Okay. So now let's move to the new order form. Right? If you enter the new order, that is a new order is 83, for example. If you enter the, so it will ask you to it will show you an error, and to resolve it you have to go to the fresh form, and here you will select the sale order person, and this will bring in the information, the customer, right? So nothing all nothing in the list is auto displayed. So there are the things which are still auto displayable, like a customer representative should come automatically. Whatever is the customer, so it has a customer relative information. A customer representative is available in the customer tab, customer sheet. So it will come in here, and also all these information, the phone, and these are the informations which should come as soon as you select the customer. So as soon as there is a change in the customer, while you are in an adding mode, append mode of the orders, so these should be get populated. So let's go to the code and write the change event for the customer. Okay, so let's go there. So we go to the view code, and we go to we go to the develop code and go to Visual Basic, and in the Visual Basic we go to the sale order form, And this is the here where we want to make the changes in the code. We want to write a code for as a change event. As soon as the change happens in this field, all these information should be get populated. Okay, so what is the first thing we have? We will take first of all the email address. Okay, so email address, we have used it. This command in our previous video, while we were working on the change edit mode of the sale order. Since we are in the append mode, means at the so you are physically you are as soon as you make a change in the customer name, so it will automatically bring. It will go to the Vlookup function. It will execute the Vlookup function, and where we have the three things. What to look up? That is customer tax, right? So, and that is in the B column of the and in the B column we have from B to J. In the J, that is from B to J. This is the range from which is the table range, okay? And the fourth column from B. B is 1, C is 2, D is 3, and E is 4. The 4 is, it is going to bring the email address, right? Okay, that's fine. So let's bring the ship phone number as well, okay? That's Control C. We bring and the ship phone number are taken in two steps, means concatenated. The first of all, B2J6 is the phone number, and then fax is B2J and ninth number, right? B2J ninth number is the fax. Fair enough. Okay. Okay. So this is let's run it and see how it works. Okay. Now this is opening a new call, right? You select, as soon as you select a salesperson, this gets populated but not changed. So as soon as we change it, it will trigger this information. You see, it automatically brings these two which we have requested, okay, in the code. Oh, fair enough. Now, these are so this is the phone, this is the fax number, and this is the email address, right? And how about the customer representative, right? So let's bring the customer representative number as means information as well. So what we do, we go back to the view code, and in the change event, this is the change event, and customer is the CR we have made. So first we establish CR, or we can directly use the same thing. Means we can write it like this: controls customer tax and control V equal to, and here we bring this. So no need to use an extra variable when there is no requirement. Okay, so this is how you bring the customer representative name as well. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay. Okay, now we run. As soon as we select the salesperson and we make a change in here, for example, E, right? So it has brought Martin. So this is the email address, and Martin, no, Donald is the customer representative, and the phone and fax number are displayed. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video, we will complete the rest of this form, then we will proceed further. Thank you very much for joining.